Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to give a small lecture on stress management during COVID-19 through music therapy. Before I start, I want to give introduction about myself. I am Dr. Sridhar Kulkarni, qualified with MSc, MA Psychology, MBA and PhD in Psychology from Mysore University and honorary doctorate in music therapy. Before my lecture, I want to bow my heads to all my Gurujis. Initial music training I received from my grandfather Shri Ganpatrao Kulkarni. Later, I learnt tabla from Pandit Sanjeev Poddar. Later, I joined BA Music. There I got many eminent musicians, among them Pandit Basavaraj Bendigiri. So I continued my tabla training from Pandit Basavaraj Bendigiri. Later, I turned my music journey from tabla to vocal. I started my classical Hindustani music and light music training, education from Pandit Sheshgiri Dandapur. After some time I interested in music therapy and I am very much lucky to have my Guruji in music therapy, Dr. Meenakshi Ravi. As per the suggestion from my Guruji, Dr. Meenakshi Ravi, she had requested me to give a lecture on stress management during COVID-19 through music therapy. In this lecture, I am going to give a lecture on stress management during COVID-19, and content of my lecture comprises into: I will give brief introduction about stress and types of stress, types of stressors and stress management through music therapy. Lastly, conclusion. So what is stress? As we all know that there are many stress we come across in our life. Here we find so many aches from our life situations. Stress is a natural feeling of not being able to cope with specific demands and events. However, stress can be a chronic condition if a person does not take steps to manage it. These demands can come from work relationships, financial pressures and other situations. But anything that poses a real or perceived challenge or a threat to a person's well-being can cause stress. Stress can be a motivator and it can even be essential to survival. But nowadays, the whole world is facing a big stress, that is COVID. So today we just concentrate on management of stress during COVID-19. The body activates resources that help people either stay from, confront the challenge or get to satisfy as fast as possible. So the body produces larger quantities of chemicals, cortisols, epinephrine and norepinephrine. These trigger the following physical reactions. Most important are increased blood pressure, heightened muscle preparedness, sweating, etc. and etc. So finally, the stress is the body's reaction to any change that requires an adjustment or a response. The body reacts to these changes with physical, mental and emotional responses. Stress is a normal part of life. Even positive life changes such as promotions, mortgage or birth of a child produces stress. So what are the types of stress? Acute stress, episodic acute stress, chronic stress. Acute stress is the most common type of stress, that is, it's your body's immediate reaction to a new challenge, event or demand, and it triggers your fight or flight response. As the pressure of near miss automobile accident, an argument with a family member, or a costly mistake at work, your body turns on these biological responses. Episodic acute stress. When acute stress happens frequently, it is called as episodic acute stress. People who are always seem to be having a crisis tend to have episodic acute stress. They are often short-tempered, irritable and anxious. People who are worry-warts or pessimistic, or who tend to see the negative side of everything, also tend to have episodic acute stress. So we will come to the source of stressors: school, work, family, relationship, health and illness, finances, environment, living situation. So here we stress on health and illness. So how to manage this stress now? We have seen in a brief about the stress and stressors. Now I will be explaining about the management of stress. So first we see the different types of management for stress. First one is nature. Second one is yoga, music therapy, spa, exercise and hobby. So first one, I briefly explain about the nature. How does nature relieve stress? Being in nature or even viewing scenes of nature reduces anger, fear, stress and increases pleasant feelings. Exposure to nature not only make you feel better emotionally, it contributes to your physical well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension and the production of stress hormones. There are 8 relaxing nature activities. So most of these are very important to avoid stress during COVID-19. Being in nature improves creativity and problem solving. Individuals with stress may benefit by interacting with nature. Reduction in anxiety levels may result from green exercise. Urban and rural green space may help mitigate stress for children and elderly. Also reduce stress by gardening. A nature walk could help your heart. Nature can improve the quality of life for older adults. Natural environment promote women's everyday emotional health and well-being. So next one is yoga. Yoga is a mind-body practice that combines physical forces, controlled breathing and meditation or relaxation. Yoga may help reduce stress, lower blood pressure and lower your heart rate, and almost anyone can do it. How does yoga help with stress management? Yoga can help reduce stress because it promotes relaxation, which is natural opposite of stress. Yoga can benefit 3 aspects of ourselves that are often affected by stress: our body, mind and breathing. Practicing yoga builds your ability to calm, focus, balance and relax yourself. So, what are the different techniques used in yoga practice? Controlled breathing, meditation, physical movement, mental, imagery, stretching. So, what different benefits of yoga? I have taken only 7 important benefits of yoga. First one is that is union of mind, body and soul, improves our sleep, increases energy, increases concentration, experience deep relaxation, boost in confidence and inner healing.